Have you ever felt stuck in a cycle of endless workouts without seeing results? Building muscle while losing fat can seem like an impossible puzzle, but what if I told you it doesn't have to be that way? Welcome to the world of effective muscle building and fat loss, a journey suited for everyone, from beginners to advanced fitness enthusiasts. In the next few minutes, I'll share strategies that immediately transform your approach. Let's unlock the secrets to achieving the body you desire and boosting your confidence along the way. First, let's talk about muscle. Muscle is your body's best friend when it comes to burning fat. Did you know that every pound of muscle burns about 6 calories a day just by existing? That means the more muscle you have, the more calories you'll burn at rest. This fact alone should ignite your motivation to pick up those weights. Now, you might be wondering, how exactly do we build muscle? Here's where a simple strategy comes into play: resistance training. Incorporate exercises like squats, deadlifts, and bench presses into your routine. Not only do they engage multiple muscle groups, but they also elevate your heart rate, which leads to fat loss. But here's the catch. It's essential to gradually increase the weights to continue challenging your muscles. Keep that in mind as you build your own routine. Pattern interrupt. Have you ever had a gym buddy who seems to get fit effortlessly? That might not just be luck. Let me share a quick story. I once knew someone who switched to a progressive overload system, where they increased their weights by as little as 2% every week. Within a few months, they were not only stronger, but also noticeably leaner. The key takeaway? Small, consistent challenges lead to big changes. Next, let's address nutrition. You can't out-exercise a bad diet. Aim for a balanced approach: lean proteins, healthy fats, and complex carbs. An easy way to do this? Start meal prepping. Dedicate a couple of hours each week to prepare healthy meals that you can grab on busy days. This reduces the temptation for less healthy options. Of course, hydration is crucial too. Did you know that drinking water can boost your metabolism by up to 30% for about 30 to 40 minutes? How's that for a simple tip? Now, let's touch on the importance of recovery. Your muscles need time to repair and grow. Don't underestimate the power of quality sleep and rest days. Aim for at least 7 to 9 hours of sleep, and don't hesitate to take a day off if your body feels worn out. For those of you who thrive on community and accountability, consider joining a fitness class or an online group. Engaging with others can keep you motivated and inspired during plateaus. Here's a quick challenge for you. Commit to a new workout routine for just 30 days. You'll start to notice changes, both physically and mentally. As we wrap this up, let's quickly recap. To build muscle and lose fat, focus on resistance training, prioritize nutrition, stay hydrated, recover wisely, and engage with a supportive community. These tips are designed not just to inspire you, but to push you into action. Before you go, I want to thank you for watching our channel, Health Alert Remedies. If you found value in this video, please give us a thumbs up, drop a comment below sharing your progress, and subscribe for more insights on living your best life. Let's make those gains together.